Slowly catching you, Justin.
Oh, come on. Oh, I'm losing traction. Come on. Oh, I did like a backflip off that, dude. That was sick. We gotta stay together to win the race. Oh, come on.
You get two, and there's people going fast, you can't go too fast, and you just eat shit.
Yeah, steady wins the race, man. It's crazy how it is. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, no. Sorry, I backed in you. I shouldn't have been using reverse in the race, man. That's alright. Dude, it's getting good now, man. The other day I was like, come on, nobody knows how to drive and shit. Everyone knows how to drive now. Yeah, it's crazy how you have to get used to it, man. The dirt is easier, it seems. Oh man, come on. Do a little tune again. Tunage. Thanks, bro. Tunage.
Last time I lost the food truck, they found one. Oh, what's that?
No, they did, but he